Hello everybody, welcome back to the vlog. This is day 4 in Florida. I know I didn't post day 3. That is because unfortunately my hard drive did die. It has this weird clicking noise, which basically means the drive is dying. I don't know how it happened. I literally have the drive about like maybe a week and 2 days, so like 9 days. So either I can contact Western Digital Support, or once I get back home to New York, since I'm still within my 90 days, see if I can get a refund for a different drive and just pick out maybe a different drive and then just buy a new drive for the gaming laptop that I was talking about, so I can bring that up with me to places instead of using the iPad, just to save the iPad some battery and memory, because it's not really a video editing machine, but it can do it, just not the ways I want it to, whereas a computer does it the ways I want it to. So anyway, we're going to Volcano Island, which is the fun, I guess, what do you call it, like water rides and stuff. I read that I can bring my GoPro, but it's not worth it too, because I can't really film on any of the rides, so not going to bring it today. I'm just gonna bring my phone, the Joby 325, and maybe a selfie stick in case my family wants to take any pictures, but yeah, otherwise I'm just gonna be filming on my phone, doing B-roll, and stuff that I can. Already made it down to the parking garage. They do buses there that we can use at any time, or to get us from the parking garage to Volcano Bay, because it's pretty far from the parking garage. So yeah, we'll get on that. Hopefully we can get a spot online, and yeah. Alrighty, we go back to the park now. Walking in. Alright, they give us these Tapu Tapus, which basically, they basically, so there's no more lines that you have to wait in. You tap them at a ride and they reserve you a spot in line for you. And then, it tells you whatever wait time there is, so you just wait that long. And then once the time expires, you can go. This park looks pretty damn nice for a water park. I like the advanced technology with the Tapu Tapu. It's really nice. We're getting a map since we don't know where the hell to go. So, alright, we got the volcano behind us. It's pretty cool, everything that they have on the map. Looks pretty lit. Alrighty, hopefully we'll go on slides soon, and yeah, we'll get going. Some slides, probably like the one over there, but like I said, we'll see. A really big volcano, huh? Got 75 minutes left before I get on the next ride, so. Alright, just stop now to get some lunch. I'm gonna get a bacon cheeseburger, some fries, and hopefully a drink because it's hot out. My feet do hurt from walking, so. Went down the drop slide behind me. It's 125 feet. They drop you. It's like 30 miles an hour, but it's a wicked drop from all the way up there. You can't see it on this side, but trust me, it's a high drop. I've done those drop slides before, but not one of that like severity or height. So it was pretty cool. Alrighty, well, that finishes our Volcano Bay day. We're gonna go do the city walk in just Universal Studios, and yeah, so we're gonna head there straight after this. We have to already change my clothes back into what I was wearing before. So yeah, see you guys over there.